This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about rolling pins, specifically this Pastry Tech natural wood French rolling pin. And the one we have here is 18 inches long, but it's also available in a 15-inch size as well. This has that classic tapered design of a French pin, where you can see it's slightly fatter in the middle. So it's got a slightly increased diameter there at the middle with these great little tapered ends on the side. The natural wood is easy to maintain and really durable. If you have a French pin that you take really good care of, it can last an entire career or a lifetime, right? There's no little parts or anything to break on these since it's a single piece design. It's recommended that you hand wash these after use and dry them thoroughly. You don't want to leave these to soak. The tapered ends mean that it's easy to hold and grip when rolling out, and it can tackle jobs large and small because of its length. The slim diameter makes it easy to maneuver and handle, but also easy to store, and especially if you're on the go a lot, if you do a lot of work offside, maybe for catering or anything else like that, or if you're taking a kit with you to and from work, this one is going to be easy to tuck into that knife kit or away with the rest of your tools because it's got a really slim diameter, so much so more so than a traditional rolling pin. It's going to be easy to carry around to jobs. It gives you increased pressure at the center, making it great for rolling out really thin crusts, because when you're pushing down, you're going to get more pressure at the center of this pin and less on the outsides. So it's going to be really great for extending the dough in the center of areas. And I find that a lot of people, when they're just starting to roll things out and getting used to using rolling pins, a lot of times that's the place they have trouble with. You'll be really great at extending it on the outside edges, but you might end up with that little bit of a hump or dome in the center, and sometimes using a French pin makes that easier to tackle. So these are perfect for commercial use by professional chefs, or just for aspiring pastry chefs that are making fun, tasty treats at home.